Hey, Omar Briones here with Infopreneur Agency, and I just want to quickly show you Lead Scraper Pro. This is our #1 email lead scraping software, and it basically allows you to scrape email addresses from almost any source. So it can be a website or a URL or even popular search engines, and I'm going to show you that in a moment. And I want to just mention you can also upload files like text files, JSON files, documents, or PDFs. If there are a bunch of emails just scattered throughout that file, and you need them in a list, you want a way to contact each one, then this is going to make that so much easier for you to just upload it and get that list right away. So, like I said, if you want, you can add a URL or a website, and it's going to get all those email addresses and show it to you. But what I really like about this is, on top of that, you can actually search on in Google for specific keywords that people are saying on their social network profile. All right, so I'm going to show you this in a moment. This is the most powerful part of this software. So, like I said, you can search websites, URLs, files for email addresses. But let's say you don't have a particular URL or a particular website in mind. You just want to look for new leads. You want to discover new leads on social networks, all right? So as you can see, I've done some searches here. Basically, it's real simple. So if I want to look for a particular person or profession or someone with some kind of keyword in their description and their profile, I would put that keyword here, all right? And I choose the search engine, so it's going to be Google, and I can choose from Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Pinterest, Tumblr, Reddit, Flickr, and even Instagram. And I can even choose other. If I have a particular URL, I can put that in here. But just keep in mind, not all social networks work. So if you do this and it doesn't work, just let us know, and we can consider adding that into the next update. So let's say LinkedIn. Let's say I want to look for a particular someone with a particular keyword in their profile. So let's say SEO, okay? So someone with SEO in their profile, and I say any location, any language, I don't care. I can choose country here and the language, and then the search page range, I could choose how far in Google I want to go. I'm just going to stick with 1 to 5. And then the email provider, I'll say Gmail. And I'm going to go ahead and start scraping. So anyone with the keyword SEO on their profile in LinkedIn, their email address, actually their Gmail address, is going to show up here. And some of them actually will show non-Gmail addresses, which is not a bad thing, right? Okay, so you're still going to have email addresses, right? And I'm not 100% quite sure how the algorithm works, why sometimes it shows non-Gmail, but these are all the email addresses that show up on the search engines on Google when you search for this keyword in LinkedIn, all right? So after these emails are all scraped, I can then download them. I'm gonna go ahead and just stop it. I can download the emails and it gets them onto a nice CSV file here. Or I can just view them here. I'm gonna just view one that I did before, and here are all the emails of the ones that fit that particular criteria, and I can download it here. All right, so how powerful is that, right? And we've only scratched the surface. I didn't get to show you the crawling the website or the URL or the documents. It's pretty straightforward. And there's also some bonus features here, but really the cream of the crop of this software is being able to discover new leads. And that, in my opinion, that is the most powerful part of the software. So with that said, grab yourself this software if you are really into generating email leads, or if you really need to gather all the email addresses that are on that document or website. You want it in a nice organized list. Take advantage of this software and enjoy unlimited leads for life. Okay, so go ahead and take action right now. Grab yourself a copy, and I'll see you on the inside.